Being a tech enthusiast, I have a ton of smart gadgets at home. Some of them are super cool, but some of them are absolutely useless. For me, smart home devices are not those smart bulbs or switches that everyone knows about. I would like to have exotic devices like smart door locks, automatic robots, voice-controlled ceiling fans, floating lamps, air purifiers, and a hell lot of other super cool stuff that nobody ever knows. In this video, I am listing some of the coolest smart home devices and accessories that I like the most. Some of these gadgets are already out in the market while some are yet to reach the retail market. You will find your best gadgets for home in this video. You can find all product links in the video description, so check them out if you want to buy. Number 1. SwitchBot Smart Curtain Robot. SwitchBot is a cool gadget that can make any curtain smart. I have been using this gadget for more than 6 months now and I am loving it. SwitchBot is wireless, smart and super convenient to use. Using this smart home accessory is very simple. Just clamp it onto your curtain rod, pair it with your smartphone and SwitchBot will take care of the rest. Since not every curtain is the same, SwitchBot comes with a set of add-ons that you can use. Coming to the features, this gadget connects to your smartphone through which you can control your curtain. You can set schedules so that the bot will automatically open or close the curtain at the specified time. It is also equipped with a light sensor so that SwitchBot can automatically close or open the curtains depending upon the sunlight. This feature is really useful. Number 2. Midea, a new generation window air conditioner. Unlike a traditional window air conditioner, Midea uses state-of-the-art technologies to efficiently deliver cool air while making less noise and consuming limited energy. Using the old-school window air conditioner always has its disadvantages. Among them is that they are noisy, they consume a lot of electricity, and it is not easy to install them. Midea AC has been designed to block the noise, and it is simple to install it in your home. It uses less than 35% of your energy, so it is economical. Number 3. MeshForce M3 Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System. The MeshForce Mesh Wi-Fi system is a great home network solution that provides stable internet connection and eliminates dead zones in homes with 5 to 6 rooms. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi networks with speeds up to 1200 megabits per second. The mesh system is also perfect for a smart home. Number 4. Moen Smart Kitchen Faucets. What if you can control your kitchen faucet with your voice? How about asking Alexa to dispense 100 milliliters of 110 degrees Fahrenheit water? With Moen faucets, you can do it all. Moen has tens of varieties of smart faucets, but the smart ones stand apart. Especially the ones with motion sensors. Number 5. Govee Glide Smart LED Wall Light Bar. LED room lights have become so popular that almost every youngster's room will have some type of strip light these days. They are cheap, attractive and fun. I have multiple such lights in my living area LOL. But there is a problem with these strip lights, they are not so modular. I mean, can you make different shapes from them? Probably no. That is exactly when these modular block lights come into the picture. One of the most popular brands is Nanoleaf, but there are so many cheaper and better alternatives too. One of them is Govee Glide Lights. Number 6. Eufy RoboVac G10 Hybrid, Self-Charging Robotic Vacuum. If you are looking for a convenient and easy to control iRobot vacuum cleaner, then I would recommend you to get the Eufy Robotic G10 Hybrid Vacuum. This robot vacuum cleaner fits all people, especially those who are always on the move, since you can still keep your home clean while away. First off, you don't need to monitor the power utilization on this gadget because it is a self-charging robotic vacuum. Hence, it immediately recharges when the power runs out for continued cleaning of the floor. Number 7. ThinCast Smart Mirror by Capstone. Mirrors are too common. How about a smart mirror that runs on Android, has a touch display and inbuilt speakers? Meet ThinCast. Unlike many other smart mirrors on the market, this one uses Android OS, which means you can install any Android app on this mirror. It comes with a clean OS, no bloatware, no useless apps. But please note that some apps games that make use of gyroscope and other sensors will not work on this mirror. Number 8. AirSoap Air Purifier kills viruses that HEPA filters can't. Looking for practical and efficient ways to ensure indoor air quality? Then you've got an array of options out there. From air purifiers to ionizers to ozone machines, all these units are great in their own ways. Today, the AirSoap Air Purifier is the new song in the market. In conformity with PhoneSoap's sanitation theme, the company has introduced this device that comes with more innovative features than other HEPA filters. Number 9. Wireless Powered Magnetic Floating Lamp. This gadget is a levitating light by DeepMag, the company that specializes in magnetic levitation and electromagnetic direct drive technologies. DeepMag light has two important features. It receives power wirelessly and levitates magnetically upside down. Read it again, it is upside down. It is the coolest table lamp you can ever get. Number 10. Ultraloq UL300 Multipoint Smart Door Lock. This smart lock has so many features that I would be exhausted to write about. UTEX UL300 is a smart door lock for your home, office, or anything that needs advanced security. This door lock has a stainless steel multi-point lock option with more than 2 locking mechanisms for advanced safety. The lock has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi options. The Bluetooth option is used to connect the lock to your smartphone, while the Wi-Fi is used to control the lock from anywhere in the world until there is an internet connection. The lock supports Google Assistant and Alexa too. So, these are the 10 best gadgets for home. Listed products are the best selection of items. We put too much effort into ensuring that it was the best selection. Our selection is based on product rating, self-election, comments, and experts. Links to all products are below in the description, so take a look. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to appreciate us by liking our video, comment on your favorite product, and share this with your loved ones.